Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. But before we go there, guys, I need a favor. I need your favor. You know what's really happening is I have this channel. On this channel, I'm going to just talk about life as a trader, the ups and downs, being broke, being trying to make things right, going through the stresses. Actually, it's going to be like a podcast, but around trading, the ups and downs that we face. And mostly we don't really talk about that. So this is the favor that I'm actually asking from you as Xtrahot members to say, please smash that subscribe button on this channel. I promised my son that I'm gonna reach like 500 subscribers within a week. You can make that possible. You can make that possible. So I will also put the link in the description. Oh, sorry, on the comment section that you can smash that like. Please, guys, just please. That will give me enough a momentum to push. I know not everyone likes that, but please just smash the subscribe. Even if you don't really watch, just subscribe that. So that is the favor. That is the only favor. You don't pay anything. Actually, it's Xtrahot podcast. I posted only one video yesterday. You can see here. These other ones, they are a bit older. You can see it's 1 year ago, 2 years ago. I never posted much on this channel. It's been here for quite some time. So please, as I'm someone who is actually giving you some information every day, I just need that. I'm asking that favor your subscription. Your subscription will be will mean a lot. So I'll put the link in the description. I will be talking about life as a trader. So yeah, let's go straight to our daily analysis. So I hope you're gonna do that. So what's really happening on the market? Today we don't really have much. It's Monday. But this is going to be a very busy week. A very, very, very busy week. Why? Because Tuesday, which is going to be tomorrow, we have CPI. We know it's gonna go crazy. It's very, very, very big, obviously. And the next day, which is gonna be Wednesday, we have FOMC. Today and tomorrow, like in a row. We never had this much in a similar day. And we're not going to stop there. We also have another interest rates from Europe and Britain. You can see here. So this is just closing the year. We're closing out this year with some bang, guys. So anyways, you can see on Thursday we have interest rates from GBP and Europe, and we also have another retail sales on Thursday and unemployment claims. So it's gonna be crazy. So let's see what's really happening on Friday. Friday is not going to be that crazy because it's only PMIs, but they also move the market because you can see it's from Europe, GBP, and also USD. You see, so another thing that you can do is to just go on your CNBC or Mumu app just to find what's really happening in the market. That can also help you to understand all this fundamental stuff. But we're still gonna talk about that, right? I think I will just make a video where we'll just talk, just to make you understand about fundamentals, right? So what's really happening? What's really happening on the chart? Oh, before I continue, we have this 50% off, which ends today. This special ends today. It was 48 hours special. It was 48 hours special. Yeah, sorry. You can see that we have a special. You can scan that QR code, or you can use my WhatsApp. Then you can be part of the team. So simple as that. So what's really happening? What's really happening? Nothing much. So let's see what's really happening actually. Let's go on the charts. We are on it DXY. Let's use full screen. So this is just going to be as quick as possible because yesterday we did a weekly analysis. So and I think the market did not really change that much, but you know what? Yes, I have to update you, and maybe we want to get some few changes here and there. But I think the market will be way too slower, especially when we expect some economic news, like seriously high impact economic news. So you can see that we are on a downtrend. So I'm still expecting this DXY to actually push even lower. I'm expecting that. But where we are now, you can easily see that we have this resistance. The market is just playing around that resistance. You see that we have this resistance there. You can see that We have that resistance. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To actually respect that. If the market doesn't really respect that, that is going to be something else. It means the market will be changing that trend and starting to push the upside. And I don't really want that. I want to see the dollar losing that momentum a little bit because it's been stronger for quite some time, you see. But tomorrow CPI is going to change everything. We're going to know if maybe the inflation is still going lower. And on Wednesday is going to be obvious. If inflation is going to go lower, we're not going to expect any increase. Obviously, they will be posing with the rates. Simple as that. So let's see what's really happening on other pairs. GBP, JPY, this I think it was just straightforward, but that push, it was not really that straightforward. But what I see here is, as I showed you yesterday, we had this area, 1, 2, 3, and the market is respecting that. So I'm still expecting to see the market go into the upside, but I'm not going to entertain that much. The structures, I don't really like the way the market is doing. I don't think it's proper structures, but if you trade GBP, JPY, maybe you can just run with it. I think the market can still push the upside. This reversal here, or this crash was a little bit crazy, but I'm still expecting maybe the market to push the upside. That's what I see on GBP, JPY. So let's push to the next one. I saw someone said, Kenzo, check gold on a daily time frame. Yeah, I will check that. Thank you for your input. You can still give me some inputs, guys. There's nothing wrong with saying, Kenzo, check this, check that, because I can't always be right, and we have to just show each other a way, and that it's actually good. So on GBP USD here, we have a very nice structure, guys. We have a very nice structure. Now I can confirm and say, you know what, this seems to be a proper support. And remember, we did not really have several touches on this diagonal support. That's why it was difficult for us. This is the first touch, or let's say, doesn't really, I can't say it's stronger, but if maybe the market is going to bounce back here, obviously that is going to make the second or third touch, and that we can start to use this support as something that, I mean, we're going to use it as a stronger support going further. But besides that, you can also draw your diagonal resistant line and say, you know what, for me to be safe, if the market breaks this area, it's when I can say, let's draw that. I can say I can jump on the market. You can also do that. But if maybe you want to get early, you can just enter wherever the market is, or maybe wait for the market to break out of that area. That will make you to avoid any crazy move here along the way. Then once the breakout is out, then you can take that nice buy. But there is still a chance that the market can still break this area. It's not like just because we're saying that the market is pushing up, the market won't change, and no. Anything is possible. The market might still break, but it seems like it's not really happening. We can see how many touches the market played around that, and if we go back, that is actually another area. It was previously a resistant, support, and now it seems to be another support. So yeah, there is a chance that the market can bounce from that area and push to the upside, but we just need to be way extra careful, relax, don't fight the market. It's still Monday. So another thing is, you can just put your notification on or wait for the market to open. Maybe we're going to see the market pushing up very nice. So another update on Euro USD. We are on a very nice, not really nice uptrend, but we had a very nice reversal, aggressive one. So even here we're struggling with this support area, but yeah, I think this is going to be a proper support. If the market pushes up from this area, that will be very good for us, and we can run with it. You can see this is the resistance that we have there, or the highest area on this new trend. If maybe you have a buy, you can still hold up to this point. The market might actually reach that area. But the bigger picture here going further, what we want something like this, something like this, something like this going further. So it means we actually want to have a proper support before we continue. Why? Because we follow trend trading structure, which means we have to identify the trend, and that trend has to have a support area. So if we don't really have a proper support, it's difficult to navigate the streets of the market. Simple as that, right? So let's push to the next one. I hope you understand, but we are still bullish on that Euro USD. So what's really happening on gold? So someone said, Kenzo, let's go on a daily time frame. Maybe we can see something there. Maybe we can see something. Let's see. Let me just clear this. I don't think maybe it will help, because we're trying something different just to get something new. Let's clear all this thing. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys, if you are new to this channel. If you are not new, you know what to do. Smash that like, guys. I really appreciate you. On a bigger time frame, let's say on a daily time frame, on top here you can see, but this changed everything, because it seems like this move went even higher. So we don't know if the market will be respecting that any further or something. But on the bottom side, we'll avoid that for now. On the daily time frame, I'm trying to get a proper support area. So let's try our best. It's not like we're gonna be right every time. So let's see if maybe we're gonna get something. I don't know. Angazi man. If this thing is over ngolo or what? It's over right or what? It's a Gbpusd Zulu. Zulu. Angazi man. So yeah, I think, I don't know, but it seems to be better, because there's areas here. You see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and those are days. The market was doing something here, obviously. At this point, to me, it's obvious. But this one, the market, I can't see the market respected that. I can see a reversal there. But this second one here, that we don't really have a bullish structure to show us that the market was moving away from this support. We don't really see a nice push or any candlestick there. So, but maybe on a 4-hour time frame, maybe we're going to have that. Let's see. Maybe we're going to have something there. And if that happens, that will be a good buy, because the market will be pushing up again. But let's go on a smaller time frame. I hope maybe when I check this horizontal, maybe we can have a horizontal resistance or support. I don't see that. I think the market already passed that. Or if we force that, it's going to be like seriously wide or thick. No, I don't think that it's cool. Let's go on 4 hours time frame and see. Maybe we're gonna get something. Let's see on 4 hours. I see this touches. Okay, this one makes sense here. Yeah, but I think that we have something here. Because we don't really have to force to go back, because if we go back, we have several structures. Sometimes they might confuse us. You can see we have areas here that we can say we can connect. So, but if you check, they're not at the same level. They are not at the same level. So it means the market just has to give us something there. We're not going to focus on this, because we already had something there, and the market broke out. That was coming from this area. So which means, yeah, we just have to focus on the structure here. The market has to give us something. So if we go on 1 hour, maybe we're gonna get something. The market will be playing around, and you can see that. So what we can do here is, we have a smaller support. You can see that it's something. But when do we reach a point where we can say we can buy? Because the structure doesn't really make sure. It's gonna be difficult. But we have an area here. For us to be safe, we can say this area that the market created, a smaller reversal. If the market breaks that, let's mark that and say maybe that will be an area that the market needs to break. If the market breaks that, we can say, yeah, it's our time to buy. But we'll be losing some points, because we won't be taking trades from this area. So once the market breaks that, we can say, yeah, that it's obvious. It means this structure is valid. Then we can take our buy. But if you are an aggressive trader, you can jump with that. You can just take your risk there, and you can see maybe the market will be pushing in your favor. If not, obviously, the market might still break this area. It's possible. Anything is possible. So, but since we have some great news coming, maybe this might be fast. We will see. We will know very quick if maybe the market wants to break or maybe the market wants to bounce back. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. For those who wants to be part of the team, we have 50% on our normal price. It's 50%, guys. So we are on US30. It's on aggressive bullish move. You can see the market was going down previously. Now what do we have? We can see that the market is now flying, and the market struggled to break that support, that resistance. On Friday, we had the structure. You can see that the market created this resistance and support. I thought maybe the market was going to go out or to break out. No, the market just played around. It seems like maybe the market will end up pushing lower. That is fine, but we need to have a proper support because now the market is just flying. But if it breaks, obviously we don't really have any choice. We will look for that buy. But for now, I can say, my people, let's just relax. Tomorrow is still another day. Tomorrow we're going to have CPI. Then that is going to help us to know if maybe we're still going to continue with this buy or not. Because inflation is way, way too important because it also controls how they set their FOMC interest rates. I hope you understand that. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? What's really happening here is quite similar structures. If we go a little bit, you can see the structure there, or it was going down. Very nice. What we have now is ranging. Some they call that consolidation. So the market is just playing around, not knowing where to go. But we know because the market just broke out of this downtrend, which means the market is thinking about pushing to the upside. But the market sometimes has to just relax. We had a great push. You can see what happened here before we have this ranging. This was a crazy push to the upside. Now the market is breathing. We might have another push to the upside, but we have to understand that the market sometimes has to breathe a little bit. So what we have here is we just have the market a consolidation structure or ranging. So we need the market to break this area so that we can keep buying, or maybe the market has to go towards this support area, then we can still buy again. Simple as that. So German was flying, guys. I'm not going to recommend anything here, but we just need a proper reversal. This has been buying for quite some time. S&P 500, quite similar to what we saw on Nasdaq. The market just broke out. Then we have this consolidation structure. So yeah, for today I think it's enough. We have 50% on these prices. You can pause and just scan this QR code. Remember, guys, I said please don't forget to check my Xtrahot podcast. For you to subscribe there, guys, it will mean a lot because we just still have 12 subscribers. And if maybe we can have 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, and maybe by the weekend, maybe let's say this Sunday, we can reach 500. It's possible if you can make it possible. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.